My favorite part about SVSU is definitely the community, faculty, staff, and especially the students.
Definitely, this is the easiest answer. What my favorite thing about SVSU is the people. There's like, every time I'm walking around campus, I see someone I know. They're so friendly, so excited to see me. The faculty and staff are equally as excited, and just everyone here at SVSU is so welcoming and loving, and it's just like the best part about going to school here.
My favorite part of SVSU would be my job on campus. Shout out to UCOM. You're not focused.
Probably the facilities, like the sports facilities here.
I'd say the food on campus and the soccer field. We love the soccer field.
I love the community. It's a really good community here in Saginaw.
I really like Keita.
Yeah, Keita.
I like people.
I'd say, the relationships you build is my favorite thing. Like, since I've been here for 2 years. This will be my third. I made a lot of close friends that I think will probably last me the rest of my lifetime, like friendships. And coming here, when I first signed my national letter of intent, I was talking to my mom, and she was like, "Go somewhere that feels like the biggest family and where you improve the most, as well as having it feel like a family." So I'd say that's my favorite part about SVSU for sure.
Definitely, hands down, the people have been the most friendly. Every campus that I've visited for any visits or anything, definitely the people. So SVSU, friendliest people that I know.